Hello students, once again we are going to learn about programming. Today we are going to start our subject Python programming language. This is lesson number 1. It's me, Sir Frankie Jumbe from plus 255 East Africa, Tanzania. We are going to start from the beginning, absolute beginner. You're going to see step by step how to program, how to write a code, and how to execute a code in programming, in Python programming. Number one, what you need to know is that Python programming language is a language used to write programs and to write the software. This software can be used in data science. This software written by Python can be written in industries, also in a database management as well. So this is a very powerful program. Even we use some software like Google, a lot of apps. This Python used in some apps, and it's very strong tool. So if you're a scientist, data scientist, if you are a programmer, if you are a software engineer, whatever the case, you need to know programming language by using Python language. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to execute simple codes, but today I'm going to use simple compiler. You need to have a compiler. A compiler, this will be used to run the code. But today I will not use Jupyter Notebook. This guy we call Jupyter Notebook. But today I'm going to use online coding. You need to have online with internet to connect your computer into internet. So you don't have to install Jupyter or whatever. If you have access to Jupyter, you can download Jupyter from Anaconda. You can download Jupyter from Anaconda. If you download the Anaconda, you can install Anaconda on your computer. After installing Anaconda, it contains Jupyter. But today for me, I'm going to use simple technique. We are going to program by using online compiler. Connect your computer in the internet. Today I have an internet here. I'm going to search the website known as www.programmies.com. This website offers the compiler for online Python programming. You can use it. So if it is opened, Programmies is opened, then go to Run Python Online. When it is pop up, it will show up the compiler. If you don't have internet, it will not open. But if you have internet connection, it will open. It will show something like this. Okay, this is a compiler. But when you see this compiler pop up, this is online compiler. There are many online compilers. If you want to code, you can use online compiler because it is simple and easy. It needs only internet connection. You can code Python, C, C++, Java, C#, and JavaScript, whatever. Anything you need to program, any language is over here. This is online compiler. It is multi-purpose. But today we are going to execute code for Python. So when the compiler pop up, it opens with first program, and it told you it's main.py, main.python. This is a main code. When you open the compiler, it will open with this main code. So let us check. They write a print and then say hello world inside brackets, and they put double quotes. What does it mean? This means that you tell the program to print this word. This syntax told you print this word in the screen over here. So if you write the word printer, you're going to print it. So you write the print, then he put brackets, and he put the string. This is what we call the string. This string will be printed because it is inside the double quotes. So when we go to run over here, what will happen to this result is hello world. So what if I delete this line and I write by myself print? No, print. I say print. Then I put single quote. Then I say hello. Okay? If I go to run over here, it will print hello because Python allows single quote and double quote. It can print when it is single quote or double quote. Hold that in your mind. Then another thing, if you want to print another word here, you want to print Python programming. First, Python code. Then what will happen here if you say run? It will run first Python code. So this is a string. Python can print string as well as variables as well as numbers. If you want to print alphabet A, you say run, it will run alphabet A. If you want to print A, then you want to go another alphabet in the same line, you say put comma, you put single quote, you put B. If you go to print or you run, it will print A B horizontally. And if you want to print A B C, then put a comma, then put a single quote or double quote C. It will print A B C if you run the code. But what if I say A B C, then I want to print dash 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 dash? I put single quote or double quote, then I put dash dash dash. Means A B C D and so. It will print A B C, then it will show dash 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 dash. You see? So what if I want to print in here different lines? For example, I want to print this guy. Hello. Hello, students. Then I want to print another word in another line. Then I write print. The word print will be written over here. Then I will put then single quote. And what is happening? Hello, student. I am Sir Jumbe. Sir Frank. I'm Sir Frank. Okay. I am Sir Frank. If I go to print over here to run, the code will be executed over here. It will print hello students. I am Sir Frank. Because of the internet problem, maybe there's a problem to print. Can I run again? Maybe internet problem, I think, because we run it direct from internet. I can run. Whatever the case, maybe there is a problem, internet problem. Okay, you can print whatever you like in horizontal. You can print A, B, C, 1, 2, 3 in a vertical way. You can say it again, then again print, then 2. You can say again print, then 3, and so. If you run, it will print. I think there is a problem, internet problem. I think there is internet problem. But if we correct it, it will work properly. So to work properly, let's collect internet problem. And here we put 1. We want to print it vertically. Print 2. And then print 2. Then we want to print 3, print, then brackets, then 3. It will show. Okay, it will run 1 2 3 vertically. It will run 1 2 3 vertically because for what I did over there. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, it printed. There was internet problem. It printed vertically because we print first, break, second, break, third, break, because we put it horizontal. It can print vertically or horizontally, whatever you want. It can print alphabet or it can print numbers. So until next tutorial, this is for the lesson number 1, for the introduction, for printing the variable or printing number or printing alphabet or printing the word. So goodbye until next time. Here we're going to print goodbye. Goodbye, students. Then I put double quotes. Then good, not the Google. Good. Goodbye, students. If I run, it will run goodbye, student. Until next tutorial, saying thank you and have a nice moment. If you have any question, you can comment down below. If you have any suggestion, you can comment down below. It's Mr. Frank Jumbe Alex from East Africa, Tanzania. I can teach you any programming language if you want. Java, JavaScript, C, C++, Arduino, whatever. You can learn robotics and data science, whatever the case. Thank you. Have a nice moment. Until next tutorial. This is Jumbe, Genius Python Programming, lesson number 1.